Hi, it's Leigh. Welcome to day 16 of Junk Journal July. So this is a challenge that is hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a list of prompts available, and for today the prompt is one-sided. This was one that sort of had me scratching my head for some time trying to work out what to do. I finally decided to use washi tape, so it's only got a stick on one side and it's only got a pattern on one side. I used half a butterfly, so one side of a butterfly, and I used also a heart. What I'd made out of some embossed paper was like a multi-tiered tuck spot. Don't forget to check out the other people's videos that are involved in the challenge, and there's a link for Meg's channel in my video description box. Julie is also doing this challenge. She's not doing it every day, just when she has a moment. There's also a link for Julie's channel in my video description box. Hope you enjoy this.